Hello, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. I want to welcome everybody to the daily FX walkthrough. Going to get started in just a moment. What we're going to do, I'm going to walk through dailyfx.com and show you how I personally would find trading opportunities. So let's go ahead and bring up dailyfx.com. If you give me one moment here. So right now at home, you should be able to see dailyfx.com. Now, the first thing I usually do is go to the middle of the page here, and I click on Jamie Setley's technical report. I am a technical trader, so I follow Jamie's reports almost exclusively on DailyFX. I would go ahead, click on his report there, and see what he says about the euro dollar today. And he's saying that there's a high probability that the euro has put in a bottom. And obviously, we've had a massive sell-off from near the 160 figure down to, I believe the low was about 143.75 last night. So he's saying that the favorite count we present yesterday appears to have been correct. The euro dollar found a bottom in late European trading and has rallied 130 pips from the low. Basic understanding of Elliott Wave, it's always very important to have a mentor, if you will, or somebody who has the knowledge, or a teacher, to make sure that your counts are correct, that you're sort of seeing the same thing, and that's where Jamie's insight is invaluable. So just reading this report, we can see that Jamie's obviously bullish on the euro dollar. So let's look for some confirmation, and what I would do next, actually, is I would go ahead and bring up the daily chart of the euro dollar. So let's go ahead and do that. And make this chart a little bigger so you can all see it at home. And what I've noticed on the euro dollar daily chart is that we have what could be a hammer candle signaling the low. And we talk about a pair hammering when we do see a hammer. It's characterized by a very long wick to the low side, and that the low point of that wick usually represents a good point, in this case, a good point of potential support in the future. So what we might do over the next few hours moving forward is look to get a trade, look to get an entry where we can place our stop beneath the low of the hammer candle. Now, if your risk reward is fine, taking about 100 pip stop on the trade, then that's okay. But if you want to maximize your risk reward ratio, we might look for an entry closer to the point at which we're going to place our stop, which again would be just beneath the low of that hammer right down there. So that's look at moving forward. And again, this is a way to use Jamie's technical reports, and something that we should all strive to do, which is to use his reports, get his insight, and then confirm it with our own analysis. And this is, I think, a good example of doing that. So again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an